Good morning, guys. This video is in continuation with our earlier video that was for series and sequences. Here we are going to discuss a small topic that is related to arithmetic mean and geometrical mean. Actually, related to this topic, question used to be asked in case of board examination, or in multiple choice questions also used to come in different entrance exams or some government services exams. Okay, so here we will discuss about the relation. So the topic is relation between geometrical mean, that is GM, and arithmetic mean AM. Okay, तो आई होप बहुत लोगों को पता होगा व्हाट इज ए एम एंड व्हाट इज जी एम. लेट देयर आर टू नंबर्स. व्हाट इज दैट? ए एंड बी. हमारे पास दो नंबर्स हैं ए एंड बी. ओके, देन इफ वी वांट टू कैलकुलेट, इफ वी वांट arithmetic mean for these two numbers, then it will be am is equals to a plus b by 2. Okay, so this will be a plus b by 2 arithmetic mean. And if we want gm, that is geometrical mean, then it will be square root of ab. Okay, so this is geometrical mean, this is arithmetic mean. This used to come for arithmetical progression and this used to come for geometrical progression. Why I am saying this? You see, let a b are two numbers, their arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2. Arithmetic mean क्या कहते हैं कि if you want to make a arithmetic progression by using these two number, then you put this term in between of these two numbers. Okay, we will put a plus b by 2 and b. Now am says, now this whatever three term series is there, it is going to be arithmetical progression. So what is the property of arithmetical progression? It is second term minus first term will be equal to third term minus second terms. So you discuss it, a plus b by 2 minus a, then you will get b by 2 minus a by 2, correct? And here what you will get? You will get b minus a plus b by 2. So if you solve it, here also you will get b by 2 minus a by 2. So definitely it is going to be arithmetical progression, correct? So how we have formed? We have formed arithmetical progression by putting am in between a and b. Even though we were not knowing about AB, what is these number, what type of numbers are there, still by using AM in between these two, we have created arithmetical progression. Same case is with GM also. So let two numbers are A and B. If you put GM in between these two numbers, okay, that was geometrical mean. So GM geometrical mean was square root of AB. So if you put it, you will get A, comma AB square root, comma B. Now you check what type of series is this, whether it is a AP. No, because square root of AB minus A and B minus square root of AB are not equal. So this is not AP. Okay, it is not AP. Now whether it is a GP, you will see it. So we will get square root of AB divided by A. This will be the common ratio for these two terms. So it is going to be square root of B by A. Now you check for here also. So here you will get B divided by square root of AB. So here you will get again square root of B by A. So now you see your common ratio is same for all the 3 points or the three numbers. So this shows if you are putting geometrical mean in between two numbers, then it is forming a geometrical progression. So it is going to be geometrical progression. Okay, so now the question used to come, what is the relation between arithmetical progression and geometrical progression? We will see it. So you know your arithmetical progression is equals to a plus b by 2. Arithmetical mean, sorry, a plus b by 2. And your geometrical mean was square root of ab. Square root of ab. Let I assume arithmetical mean as a and geometrical mean as g. So if I do the difference between these two, a minus g, what I will get? I will get a plus b by 2 minus square root of ab. Correct? So if I solve it further, I will get a plus b minus 2 square root of ab divided by 2. So this is a minus g. Now what is this? If I do square root of a whole square in place of a and square root of b whole square in place of b minus 2 square root of a b divided by 2. I can do it. If you see this term, square root of a whole square plus square root of b whole square minus 2 square root of a into square root of b, this is nothing but square of minus square root of a minus square root of b whole square. Okay, this is going to be like this. So I can write a minus g, arithmetical mean minus geometrical mean, is equals to square root of a minus square root of b whole square divided by 2. If you see this, what it suggests, see, anything square is always positive, correct? So square root of a minus square root of b whole square is going to be positive. So whatever be the values of a and b, it is always positive, and it is divided by 2, so again it is positive. So I can say a minus g is always greater than 0, so it is a positive number, correct? So in that case I can say arithmetical mean is always greater than geometrical mean. So we have to remember this property, that arithmetical mean for any two number is always greater than its geometrical mean. Okay, so this is the property used to be asked in various examination, so you have to remember it. I hope this will be useful for you. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and please suggest whatever topic you want to study with us. We will prepare for that also. Thank you.